So hi everyone, season 10 code update is here, and I recorded the first part, second part of the video, so I'm recording this clip. So hope you like it, guys. I spent a lot of time designing the thumbnails because I've tried a new version of making thumbnails. And thank you for everybody's motivating words in the last video's comments. I'm like, I cannot upload till my exam get over because my parents were like just study now. So you guys were all motivating me so much. Like you were like, it's your channel, you can do whenever you want. After all, it's your channel. Then you're like, if you have the willpower, you can do anything. So thank you for all your motivating words. It really felt happy. I felt really happy by reading all of your comments. So thank you for commenting on that video. This is my new video. See you in the video and hope you like it, guys. What's up everyone, it's Atul from Inferno Reacts, and today we'll be talking about the new season 10 code update. So the first things first, of course, the music has changed, and of course the battle pass. Let's check what are the characters. Mara Valkyrie and some avatar for Mara. Looks cool, looks nice. GK Sion, this looks nice. It looks like kind of a, this season is of course about the hunt, but this gun kind of looks like the one which came in 2 seasons back, RUS 797U or something, Barricade, and then this charm, Black Widow. Okay, that looks like more like a spider. Oh, Avengers related. That's nice. That's nice. CP. LK24 Forest Float. This is not the LK24 I knew about. There is a, yeah, stick grenade, bloodline. So let me check all the beast. Outrider Amazonas. I just have one skin for Outrider. That was by buying my COD account. So this will be good. ICR1 bloodline. Okay, nice. This skin kind of has a skulls and bloods effect on it, but it's good. Size. Equalizer, yeah. This is the best. It shoots like a double submachine gun. The backpack. Essentials only. Looks good, looks cool. Mechanic skin. Okay, there's an ATV bloodline skin. I'm only talking about the battle pass rewards, not the other rewards. RPD Carnivorous. Does this have a kill feed on it? Yes, it does. And attachments are 4, so you can't add any more attachments on it. But if any of you all played Free Fire before, this kind of has a Dragunov in Free Fire kind of look on this gun, without the magazine and the bipod. Okay, new gun, Echo. It's kind of like a UMP. Yeah, I think it's a UMP or something. Maybe, we don't know how it shoots. Arctic 50 bloodline. Knife bloodline. Bloodline is kind of a good skin. Oh my god, this is what very nice skin. Looks like kind of M4 black gold. This looks like that. It has 4 gunsmith attachments, kills blood LK24 with backwoods camo. I'll start using this gun because LK24 is like a kind of AK, so it shoots, so that's nice. Makarov Splinter kind of looks bad, but okay. Makarov in the Splinter uniform, yeah, he's bad. It does not look that good, but okay, no problem. W11 brother, Arachnophobia. Oh my god, wait, does this have a kill feed on it? Of course, it should have kill feed. Oh wait, it does not have kill feed. What? My god, no, there should be a kill feed. Last time it was M16 Galeg. This time it's M16 Forest Floor. And they're giving the spray. Looks good, very good, very cool. Medic, okay. Antonov 820, yeah, it looks like a copper version of that. Emote, yes, I see you. What is the emote like? Looks like, okay, nice, that looks good. Edgy 40 Forest Float, does it have kill feed? Of course not a good gun. Echo Demonize, man, this gun is good. Yes, it has kill feed. It'll be good. Yes, Mace. Kind of the better version than an old version. Looks good, he looks good. Fatal Attention, calling card. Oh my god, this is very good. Yes, because the last one sucked like very badly. Look at this. Then I didn't like the last one, so I used the previous one. This was the last one. Wait, this, yeah. So I used the chained one because chained is better. It looks good. So yeah. So let me buy the battle pass now. So starting we'll get Mara. First we'll get Mara. Okay. So we got Mara in the Valkyrie uniform. Yes, GKS Sion. GKS. It's always a good gun. I love the scope and I love the sound of this. Yeah. The Mara kind of looks very nice. Not in the body wise, the avatar frame. Sorry, avatar. See? I want to show this. Nikto Stronghold is really a good character, but I do not use him that much. I use him in Battle Royale Mara. From Venezuelan national to intelligence asset to a special ops soldier, Mara is an experienced but shadowy operative. Okay, I'm gonna use her. Because COD, there are many what to say, girl characters, and there are less girl characters, so it'll be good to have a girl character finally. After a long time, there was Manta Ray, but that's okay. That's nice. Good character. What? Oh, GKS. Yes. GKS on man looks cool. So I'll equip it instead of DRH. I don't want DRH. I don't like DRH that much. I just used it because people told me to use it. I used that, or else I would have not used DRH. GKS Gunsmith. Select the blueprint. Confirm. Okay. Now new modes, new maps and new modes. Purchase a battle pass. What are they giving? My brother is there shouting. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, try classic. What's featured? Terminal, new map terminal, and then small maps layer, secondary school. Wait, core we go, then we go to map. There should be. No, wait, what? Shipment 1944. Terminal. What the hell is spine? I think is it a, what is it? Domination demon. Search and destroy. Where's Pine? Where's Pine? I wanna play Pine. Nuketown is like the smallest map. No, but then after this came, Shipment 1944 came. It's not the smallest map anymore. That's it for this video, guys. Hope I covered everything. There are no BR. Okay, yeah. Wait, this one is also there. So now they are giving a Spark Ranger as the monthly login reward character, and play one match in the terminal match. What are they giving? Locust skin, plated green. That looks good. Asymptom Freight Train. But I have better skins I'm getting in the battle pass, so I'm gonna stick with that. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 450 subscribers. Please subscribe. That's what. And thank you everyone for all of your motivating words and in the last previous comments, because I'd had exams and I didn't know suddenly. I just, this is going to be my last video before my exams, and then after my exams I'll come with regular updates. So stay tuned for that. Collabs, gameplays, reaction, vlogs. Wait for all. Okay. See you in my next video, guys. Goodbye.